Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is fun with magnets. So in this chapter we are going to study about different topics like discovery of magnets, means how this magnet was discovered, about magnets, what is magnets, about magnetic and non-magnetic substances, purpose of a magnet, using a magnet to find directions and its properties like it is attraction and repulsion, about the types of a magnet, even the care of magnets and uses of magnets. So in this chapter we are going to study about these topics. And now in this class today we are going to study about discovery of magnets, about the shapes of magnets, what are the different types of magnets according to the shape of the magnet. So let's begin this class. So these are the topics today which we are going to discuss, that is discovery of magnets and about magnets. Coming to the discovery of magnets, means how it was discovered. So according to a legend, the first magnet was discovered by a Greek shepherd named Magnets. So according to a legend, the first magnet was discovered by one shepherd, that is a Greek shepherd, and the name of that shepherd was Magnets. It is said that the nails in his shoes and the iron tip of his staff got stuck to a large black rock on which he was standing. When he is just climbing on the mountain, then it was said that the nails which is there in his shoes and the iron tip of his staff that is used to just climb on the mountain got stuck to a large black rock on which he was standing. Okay, that nails of the shoes and that tip of his staff got stuck to a large rock on which he was standing. Greeks named this strange type of rock magnetite. Now the Greek people those who are living in this place, that named that rock, that strange rock, as a magnetite. The Chinese also knew about magnets, and Chinese also knew about that magnets. An ancient Chinese sailor used magnets for navigation. Means in ancient time, the sailors used that magnet for the navigation purpose to find the direction. So how this magnet was discovered? So according to a legend, the first magnet was discovered by a Greek shepherd named Magnets. And how he was discovered? That when he just went to a mountain area, then what happened is that with the nails which is there in his shoes and the iron tip of his staff got stuck on the large black rock when he was climbing, and where he was standing get stuck to that particular place. So Greek named that particular rock as a magnetite, and the Chinese also knew about magnets. The ancient Chinese sailors used this magnet for navigation purpose, means for finding directions. As you can see here in this picture, this is a picture of that rock, that is magnetite, from which this magnet was discovered, from where this magnet was extracted. So this is the magnetite rock. Now coming to the magnets, what is this magnets? So magnets are made up of materials that attract objects made up of certain substances like iron, cobalt and nickel. Magnet is what? Magnet is a made up of material, such kind of material that attracts object. It attracts a certain kind of objects like iron. It is able to attract iron, cobalt and nickel. These three kinds of materials are attracted by the magnets. While in the case of the plastics, wood, they are not able, that these type of materials are not going to be attracted by the magnets. So magnets are made up of such kind of material that is able to attract a certain kind of substances like iron, cobalt and nickel. So magnets come in various shapes and sizes. When you visit market, and this magnet is available in various shapes and sizes. They can be found as horseshoe, ring, cylindrical or bar shape. So there are different types of magnet on the basis of shapes. That is horseshoe magnet. This one is the horseshoe magnet, as you can see here in this picture. This one is the bar magnet because shape is quite similar to the bar. This one is the ring shaped magnet. This is the cylindrical shaped magnet, and this one is the ball ended magnet. Means the end of this magnet is like a ball shape, having the rounded shape, as you can see here in this picture. So these are the different types of magnet on the basis of the shape of the magnets. So magnets can be of different types on the basis of the shape, like horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, ring type magnet, ball ended magnet, and cylindrical magnet. And what is magnet? Magnet are such kind of material which attract a certain kind of object, like that is made up of iron, cobalt, and nickel. So these kind of materials are attracted by the magnets. So the material which is attracted by the magnet, that type of material is known as magnetic substances. Let us study about what is magnetic and non-magnetic substances. Not all the objects are attracted to magnets. Objects that are attracted by a magnet are said to be magnetic. That is, example, iron and nickel. Even cobalt is also there. So even when we talk about each and every object, and when you take this one magnet, and you are not able to attract, that magnet is not able to attract each and every kind of object. Very few, like even the iron and nickel, can be attracted by the magnet. So not all the objects are attracted to the magnet. Objects that are attracted by a magnet are said to be magnetic. Like iron get attracted by the magnet. Even nickel get attracted by the magnet. Cobalt is also get attracted by the magnet. So there are certain kind of material which get attracted by the magnet, and that material is referred as magnetic substance. So what is magnetic substance? Objects that are attracted by the magnet. Objects that are attracted by the magnet, that are called magnetic substances, like iron, cobalt, and nickel. Why they are magnetic? Because they are attracted by the magnet. Now coming to the non-magnetic substance, just opposite to the magnetic, means objects that are not attracted by a magnet are said to be non-magnetic. Means such kind, like even the this one wood, even pen, pencil, this kind of materials are not going to attract by the magnets. So these are what? These are non-magnetic, like wood, plastic. These are what? Non-magnetic. So objects that are not attracted by a magnet are said to be non-magnetic. Okay, like aluminium, even the copper, these all are what? These all are non-magnetic, because they're not going to be attracted by the magnet. So such kind of object which are not going to be attracted by the magnet, that is referred as non-magnetic. And what is magnetic? Such kind of object which are going to be attracted by the magnet, that is referred as magnetic substances, like iron, cobalt, and nickel. So this is about the magnetic and non-magnetic substances. And what is magnet? Magnet is a such kind of material that attracts the magnetic substance. And what is that magnetic substances? Such kind of substances which is attracted by the magnet, like iron, cobalt, and nickel. These three materials are there which are attracted by the magnet. Okay, so this is about the magnetic and non-magnetic substances. So till here we will study today. So today we have studied about discovery of magnet, how this magnet was discovered by Shepherd, and also about the magnets. So here are some questions which is based on what we have studied today. Solve this question. Thank you.